Down this hallway, past the usual routines and the daily rush, there's a door marked C215. Behind it, something new, a space created just for us. Welcome to the BobCat Den. At last, we enter a rare and remarkable habitat, the BobCat Den. Spanning 828 square feet, this carefully designed environment offers a balance of comfort, collaboration, and calm. In the center, a sturdy table rises with high chairs, a natural gathering spot for collaborative work and the occasional late afternoon survival session. Nearby, round tables with small carpets provide gentle grazing grounds, each ringed by 6 soft cushioned chairs. These areas encourage teachers to cluster together, sharing ideas or simply unwinding. For the solitary creature, quiet corners with individual chairs provide private refuge, ideal for silent reflection or simply catching one's breath. A water cooler serves as the main watering hole, while a gentle fountain provides a soothing background call. Though, like many delicate ecosystems, it must be unplugged at day's end.
Unplug it when you leave!
Around the den, one finds a great clock.
That's great!
Marking the passage of time. Ample cabinets for storage. Bulletin boards alive with information. And a sink for practical needs. Recycling bins and garbage cans can keep the habitat clean, while a desk and smartboard add structure and function. And high on the wall, a picture reminds us of our heritage, the old building blended with the new, symbolizing continuity as the den grows into its own tradition. Seriously though, all we wanted to let you know. How was that?
We're rolling. Action!
I'm with you always.
And I will tell you how I remembered you tonight on the stormy mountain.
Great book. Obviously.
What the Peter Heller is that?
Got a book? Leave a book. Need a book? Take a book.
That's good. Snackintyre Studios animation. Eat more Snackintyres.